Hey, welcome back, everybody. Well, we're going to do this. This is my favorite kit of all time. Like, I've owned a few of these guys, and boy, I hate to say it because I'm a Mack truck fan, but these things are a lot tougher than a Mack. All handcrafted, never built factory. The only way they built these things was when you ordered them. But anyhow, I'm going to show you what I got going on so far. Started plumbing. This kit deserves this. I'm doing extensive plumbing on this thing. I mean, we got it all going on here. It just deserves it. It warrants it. I got all the brakes, the cans, and everything. Scratch built air valves. Got everything going on here. All the way to the cans. And of course, these will go up towards the front when it's all time. Got the two holes drilled out for the power steering. I don't know if you can see it or not. Well, got the motor. All the fuel lines and the compressor lines and freon lines. Alternator starter. All the good stuff on there. But we're going to do this guy up good. A radiator will get a expansion tank overflow hose on it. What I do with this is sub-assembly everything. And I did some modifications here. I took out that wide seat because that's not really accurate. If it was a road truck or a lowboy or a tractor. This being a dump truck, you had controls on the side. Narrower seat, of course. You got your PTO engage, and you got your up and your down, but that's what we got going on here. I went ahead and sub-assembled the flaps. I'll hand paint the flaps afterwards. I just wanted to get a good glue bond because these things do have a habit of snapping off if you do it after the fact. Got the fuel tanks all drilled out for your send and return, your vacuum line for the fuel tanks. But as you can see, long way to go, but we're going to get it there. And I will keep you updated on this project. Lone Star, I'm going to start working on that again tonight for those that are interested. Okay, we're so close. I want to get it done. But anyhow, there you go. Enjoy the video.